Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the employee salary notes and coin calculation. If you are enter the employee salary as 25,000, 25,500 to how many 5,000, how many 1,500 notes and 100 notes and 50 notes and 20 notes and 10 notes are there. Include this salary, right? Then how many 5 coins and 2 coins and 1 coins are there? Include this 25,552, right? So how to do the system? Okay, if I enter the salary, it will be calculated automatically. If I enter it, here the same amount I'll be enter 1,052. How much? Right, 52. Now if I enter, if you click calculate, you can see here there are 5,000 5 times. So 5,000 into 5, 25,000. After that 500, 100 is 1000 is not there, 500 is 1, 500 is there. Here this one is 25,000, 500, 25,500. After that we have a 50, also we have 50 rupees also, 50. After the remaining 2 also it's calculated here, this is 2, right? The same value we have calculated another one as 200, 500, 2,500. You can see only the 200 notes are there. Okay, 2,500. Okay, so 500 notes are there, right? So 25,000, only 5 notes are there, right? So 2,053 here, 5, 2 is 2 times, 1 is 1 time. Okay, it will be calculated. It will be calculated. Notes and coins are perfectly well. Okay, so how to do the system step by step, we'll see. Now let's go to the file, new project. This is the latest version Java NetBeans. I install it. Here you have Maven, Grid. You have to select as N Java project application. Click next. Here I'm going to type as Java salary. Right. This is our project. Right now I just right click this one. I am going to delete them. I'm going to select this one again. Right. New. Here Java cell. Whatever class name you can give. If you click run it, you can check whether it's running successfully. Now let's select this frame, right click, properties, code, generate center, got aligned like this. After that, go to the source, control F, you can see here, find UI capital letter, press enter key. You always, this one in NetBeans, you have to change it as matter look. Then only the program is actual look and feel of the Java application. This is actual look and feel of the Java application. You have to, if you change as a matter look, you will be getting the actual look and feel of the Java application. Okay, right. Now let's increase the frame little bit bigger. Now let's drag the node label. This label, I'm going to name it as this name. I just copy this one, paste over here. Here you have to type this one, nodes and coin and calculation. The time, if I type this one, take too much of time. That's why I reduce the time so that I just copy and paste it. So just copy and paste it here. I paste it here. Click on the property window with bold. Size I'm going to give the big size as 48 with bold. Font size you can select whatever you know you need, right? After that foreground color I'm going to change it as a red color. If you like, if you like, you can change any color you want, right? So after that I need a one panel. You just drag and drop it. This panel, right click and properties. Border, you have to change the border as a bevel border. Close it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just go to the swing controller, I just drag one label. This label I'm going to name it as salary. Okay, instead of that you can write it down here as enter the employee salary. But I just write it here as employee salary only. It's no problem. 24 of 36. It's better. Right. Now I'm going to change the font color, foreground color. Okay, this is a foreground. If you have changed the font color, you have to go to the foreground property. Here you can see the nice color palette in Java NetBeans latest version. Right, it's rather than compared to the previous version, it's you will be able to get the good nice look and feel of the application. Now let's drag the text field over here, right click, properties, select this one, 48 with bold, select this one, edit text backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt sal, right, that's it. Now let's reduce the size of the window here, the panel. So here I'm going to change the button. Okay. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. It's working. Now if you want to give the title of the window, click on this one, right click, properties. You have to give the title salary. I just give the title as salary. Close it. If when you run the application, you can see the title over here. Okay, this is the Java look and feel of the application, right? Now let's, if you want to change the font little bit bigger, select again 36. The button font is not a can't readable. Now it will be readable. Now let's click on this one. If you want to enter the employee salary, I need to calculate that one, right? So let's select the one event action perform. You go to the event perform button event listener. This is the action perform. Right now, let's what I did is I'll be explaining. Don't worry about that. I just drag and drop this one, and I'll be explaining. Don't worry about that. Okay, I will be explain the code little, line by line. Right. This cell, this cell. Right. What I did over here, first I have create the integer variable salary. I'm going to assign this text field. I will give the name as txt. Whatever value you type on this text field, it will be assigned to the variable salary. I have created the variable salary. I assign this text field. That's the things I have did it. After that, I have created two different integer variables. Those are nodes and coins. Okay, those are nodes and coins. Right? Now I'm going to go to the validation part. First, we have to do the validation part as nodes. Okay, we have to do the two different validation, but it's nodes and coins. Right? So first I have to look at the nodes. Nodes, if the salary is, we have to divide by 5,000. Okay, if I enter the amount on this text field, it is assigning here. What are the amount is there? It is divided by 500. How many 5,000 are included if you enter the amount? Okay, it will be divided, right? Divided, and after that, what I did is divided. After that, reminded. After the salary you are getting here, it reminded. It reminded how much is remaining balance. Okay, after 500, this it will be cut off. It will be reminded, right? It is print out. Okay. After that, it will be saved. I am going to do is 5,000. No, 5,000. Right? We have to this nodes. We have to put it over here. I create the variable in 5,000. We have to call it here. It is saved in the 5,000. After the same thing like a 1,000. Right? If I enter the employee salary after 5,000 cut off, how much remaining the 1,000? So here if you are, I already showed the example. 23,000. First it will look at the 5, how much the 23,000, how much 5,000 are there? 4. After that, it will remind 3,000. Okay, it will be reminded 3,000. How much 3,000 they are here? 3. So it will be 3. It divided. 1,000 is divided with 3. Okay, it will be printed out. Okay, the same thing they did here is, okay. Remaining is not there. Okay, it is come out of it. Okay, if it is remained is there, it's go below and check each conditions, right? So the same thing like how much 500. It is this 1,000. It will get it here. It is print out the notes. Right, the same thing here as 500. How much 500 are same thing 100. How much 50s? The same thing. Those of the 50s. After that 20s. The same thing. How much 20s? How much 10s? Right. After that, these are all the belongs to the nodes. After that, coins. I have created variables coins. Different variables coins. Okay. Coins. The same thing. Right. Below 20, we have to change it as a variable coin. The same thing. The salary, it is divided by the 10, right? So here like this, get the example, 23,000, 10, whatever, sorry, 25,000 is how many 5,000 are there? 5. So 5 will be printed, right? After that, we have to print it out there. Right, sorry, the problem is here. Had a problem. It's not coins. The coins. Right, now let's like this. Small problem right here. You can check it out. Here 5,055, 10 is 1, 10. It will print out 10 coins. So 5,000 is there. 5,000 remaining balance, it will calculate only the remaining balance is 10. 10 is not included 1,000. 10 is not included 500. 10 is not included 100. 50, 20. It is included over here. It's coming here. It will be getting is printed. It's 1. Okay, that's how it will be calculated. If it is 5, it is 5. If it is 2, 2, it's 1, 1, right? So that's how it will calculated. After that, what I did here is you have to write the simple J option pan. I have print out the values. So here, this is the, if you print out how to print out the multiple lines, more than one lines in the J option pan, you have to write the next line statement slash n. You have to write like this. This is a concatenate operator. So you have to write each printed values. Okay, that's how it will be printed like this. Yeah. The next line. It's all the values are printed out the next line. Okay. I hope you guys will understood things. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.